I'm showing the easiest and best method for making a low-carb chicken ranch pizza on a tortilla in an air fryer. I'm sharing a simple hack for a perfectly crispy tortilla to hold our chicken and our ranch dressing and some chopped tomato, chopped basil, and cheese. Then we're air frying it until our cheese is bubbly and toasted. This is the perfect way to enjoy healthy personal pizzas on pizza night or anytime you're having a pizza craving. Hello there, my name is Nicole Bonilla and I am so glad you're here. If you love healthy recipes with all natural ingredients like I do, then you are in the right place. We're going to begin with toasting our tortilla, and I really like to use these low-carb spinach tortillas. Not only do they have this really beautiful green color, but they're also very delicious. So I'll go ahead and just put the tortilla right into the bottom of my basket, and then depending on how strong your air fryer blows air around the basket, you're going to want to anchor your tortilla so it doesn't blow to the side of your basket. So you could just look around your kitchen and find a heat-safe little bowl or utensil or anything that might work. I'm going to go ahead and place this little glass bowl right in the middle. Then I'm going to toast this in the air fryer at 385 degrees for 4 minutes. But halfway through, we're going to pull it out, flip it over, and move our little bowl to a different spot. Well, it's been halfway, so I'm going to go ahead and move my little bowl out of the way and then flip the tortilla over. And then I'll move my little bowl back on, and it goes back into the air fryer for the remaining 2 minutes. Our tortilla is done and it smells nice and toasty. So I'll very carefully take out our very hot little glass bowl. Then we can take out our tortilla and set it right on the counter. To assemble our chicken ranch pizza, we're going to start with some ranch salad dressing. So I'm going to spoon on about 2 tablespoons of dressing, and I'll push it out almost to the edge. I love adding some fresh basil, but if I put this on top of the cheese, then the air inside the air fryer is going to blow it all over the place. So I'm going to want to put this on my pizza underneath the cheese. So I'm just going to roll this up and dice it into some nice little pieces. Then we can spread these out on the pizza. Oh man, I love that smell. That smells so good. Next, we can add on our cheese, and you can use any cheese that you like. I'm using some mozzarella cheese just because of how well it melts and because it's just very delicious. Next, we can add on some cooked chicken, and this is just some leftover chicken I had from dinner the other night. So this is a wonderful way to use up your leftovers. And to add some beautiful color and some fresh flavor, I'm just going to add a few diced tomatoes on top. And now we can very carefully lower this back into our air fryer basket. And then we're going to put this back into our air fryer at 385 degrees for about 3 minutes, or just until that cheese becomes bubbly and lightly toasted. So after 3.5 minutes, that cheese is bubbly and has just a little bit of golden color on top. Now we can use our spatula and carefully remove it from our basket. Oh, that looks so good. We'll come in with our pizza cutter. I love how easily it cuts through that crispy tortilla. Ooh, the cheese pull. We'll blow on it so it's not too hot. Wow, that is delicious. It might look simple, but that is an explosion of fresh, herby flavor. I love biting into that crispy texture of the tortilla, which has its own natural spinach and herb flavor. And then I get that creamy ranch dressing, which blends so perfectly with the cheese. And then the juicy chicken with the freshness of the tomato and basil is so good. And I love knowing that I'm eating something with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm going to feel good even after I eat it. And I love sharing my creatively healthy recipes so you can enjoy them too. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I've included a link to the full recipe and it's in the video description below. And it takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.